Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into the world of tiny but mighty vegetables, new potatoes. These little gems are like little bundles of sunshine just waiting to soak up flavor. Unlike their mature counterparts, new potatoes boast a delicate skin and a creamy texture that will make your taste buds sing. What makes new potatoes so special? Their thin, tender skin means you can skip the peeling. Less prep, more flavor. That's what I'm all about. Plus, their small size makes them perfect for quick cooking. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a recipe that's as simple as it is delicious. Pan-fried new potatoes with red wine and coriander. Trust me, this dish is a game changer. Before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic that happens when simple ingredients come together. Let's gather our trusty ingredients, each one playing a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors. Don't worry, this recipe calls for simple, everyday heroes that transform into a symphony of flavors. These ingredients are not only easy to find but also bring out the best in each other. New potatoes, the stars of the show. These little gems are packed with nutrients and have a delightful texture. Choose small to medium-sized ones for optimal flavor and cooking time. Their thin skins mean you don't have to peel them, saving you time and effort. Red wine. A splash of red wine adds depth and complexity to the dish. It brings a rich, robust flavor that elevates the entire meal. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks off, leaving behind a subtle, fruity note. This makes the dish suitable for everyone, including kids. Fresh coriander. This vibrant herb brings a burst of freshness to the table. Its bright green leaves add not just color but also a unique flavor. Its citrusy aroma perfectly complements the earthy potatoes. A sprinkle of coriander can transform the dish from good to great. Olive oil. A drizzle of good quality olive oil adds richness and helps achieve that perfect golden brown crust. It's the secret to a deliciously crispy finish. Salt and pepper. Seasoning is key to enhancing the natural flavors of our ingredients. A pinch of salt and a dash of pepper can make all the difference. With our ingredients prepped and ready, let's get cooking. The journey from raw ingredients to a delicious meal is about to begin. Our first step is parboiling the new potatoes. This simple technique ensures that they cook evenly and develop a tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Wash the new potatoes thoroughly under cold water, removing any dirt. Place the potatoes in a pot and cover them with cold water. Add a pinch of salt to the water. This helps them cook evenly. Bring the pot to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let the potatoes simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. To check for doneness, pierce a potato with a fork. It should go in easily but still have a slight resistance. Once our potatoes are parboiled to perfection, it's time to move on to the next exciting stage, pan frying. Section 4. The sizzle of flavor, pan frying to golden perfection. Get ready for the best part, pan frying. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming simple ingredients into a mouth-watering delight. This step is where the magic truly happens. The sizzle of potatoes hitting the hot pan is music to any cook's ears. The sizzle of potatoes hitting the hot pan, the aroma of olive oil as it heats up and releases its rich, fragrant scent, and the anticipation of crispy, golden brown goodness. It's a sensory experience that promises a delicious reward. 1. Heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. 2. Carefully add the parboiled potatoes to the hot pan, ensuring they're spread out in a single layer. This helps them cook evenly. 3. Now, let them sizzle away undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is crucial for developing that perfect crust. This allows them to develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Patience is key here. 4. Once the bottom is golden, gently flip the potatoes and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until all sides are crispy and golden. The result is a pan of perfectly cooked potatoes, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. As the potatoes sizzle away, your kitchen will be filled with the most tantalizing aroma. It's pure culinary heaven. The smell alone will have everyone eagerly waiting for a taste. Section 5. A splash of magic red wine infusion. Now it's time to add a touch of magic to our pan-fried potatoes red wine. This simple yet transformative step can elevate your dish to a whole new level. Don't be intimidated. A splash of red wine works wonders in the kitchen, adding depth and complexity to even the simplest of dishes. The rich, robust flavors of the wine meld beautifully with the earthy tones of the potatoes. 1. pour a generous splash of red wine into the pan with the potatoes. The wine will start to sizzle and release its aromatic bouquet, filling your kitchen with a delightful fragrance. 2. Let the wine bubble and reduce for a few minutes, allowing the alcohol to cook off and the flavors to meld. This reduction process is crucial as it concentrates the flavors, making the dish more intense and delicious. 3. As the wine reduces, it will create a luscious, slightly syrupy sauce that coats the potatoes beautifully. This sauce not only enhances the taste but also gives the dish a glossy, appetizing appearance. The red wine not only adds a beautiful color to the dish, but also imparts a subtle, fruity note that complements the earthy potatoes perfectly. This combination of flavors and textures makes for a truly memorable culinary experience. Section 6. A Symphony of Tastes, Coriander's Fresh Embrace. With the red wine working its magic, it's time to introduce the final touch: fresh coriander. This vibrant herb adds a burst of freshness and a citrusy aroma that elevates the entire dish. 1. While the potatoes are still warm, sprinkle over a generous handful of roughly chopped fresh coriander. 2. Gently toss the potatoes to coat them evenly in the red wine sauce and coriander. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. The combination of earthy potatoes, rich red wine, and fresh coriander is a symphony of flavors that will have your taste buds singing with joy. Section 7. A culinary masterpiece awaits. Savor and enjoy! Congratulations, my friends! You've just created a culinary masterpiece, pan-fried new potatoes with red wine and coriander. This simple yet elegant dish is perfect as a side dish to accompany grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or even a simple salad. It's also delicious on its own for a light and flavorful lunch or dinner. So go ahead, grab a fork and savor the fruits of your labor. I guarantee you'll be going back for seconds. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting, having fun, and creating delicious food that brings people together. Happy cooking!